Hello students, again welcome you all, and today in this lecture we shall proceed to the significance of Liouville's theorem and types of the ensemble. So if you have watched my previous lecture of the statistical of probability distribution function, in the last we have defined a equation which was dp upon dt, this equals to del rho upon del t plus rho of with h is Hamiltonian is equals to 0, and we have seen that what is it? It is Liouville's theorem. Now with this equation we will have the various types of the ensemble we will discuss in this lecture. Now suppose in this equation we have this first term. This is density distribution with respect to the this partial derivative with respect to time. It is equals to 0. What it implies? It implies a stationary ensemble. This del rho upon del t is equals to 0. It is implying a stationary ensemble. Now which ensemble we call stationary ensemble? I shall also tell you about this stationary ensemble in this lecture as well. Now this equation also implies if this term is 0, this implies this rho of h, this is equals to 0. Poisson bracket with respect to this Hamiltonian is 0. What implied? And you will just see that this can be made 0 by following two conditions. We will apply here two conditions by which this rho of h, this is equals to 0. First we will see that first this is rho h, this is equals to, in this previous lectures we have seen that this is the Poisson bracket, and I is equals to, this is equals to 1 to 3n, and del p rho upon del qi, this is qi dot, which is the generalized position coordinates and generalized momentum coordinates. We can also, that's why we have, these are the in terms of the Hamiltonian. I have also described them in the previous lecture. And if suppose rho is independent of position q and momentum p here, then this value rho h will also be 0. So we have seen that if suppose this term is 0, which is describing a stationary ensemble, how we can make this term rho h to be 0? By first thing that rho is independent of position and the momentum. Mean to say that rho is independent of this position and momentum, then this quantity can be 0. Rho h can be 0. So this type, if suppose rho h will also be 0, meaning to say that this 0, what it means from this equation, we can just lead to this rho of pq, it is constant, because this term is 0. Then what does it mean? This rho of pq is constant. Now it is constant. This implies an ensemble satisfying, suppose any of this equation is supposed to be satisfied by any type of the ensemble, that ensemble is called a microcanonical ensemble. In this density distribution function is constant, mean to say that with the period of time this function is not going to change. Rho pq is constant, then you will say that this is the microcanonical ensemble. And in basic you can also say that microcanonical ensemble is also said to be the stationary ensemble. They are also said to be the stationary ensemble. Another method by which in the previous this rho h can be 0, this can be done by supposing rho being explicitly dependent on this Hamiltonian q and p. You know that Hamiltonian is what? This is combination of this t plus b. What is it? This kinetic plus potential. H is what? And you know that this is p square upon 2m plus this is v, which is depending on this position. So kinetic energy plus potential you know this is the position dependent, that's why we have written here vq, and this is p square upon 2m. So and in another we have just considered that this rho, it is explicitly dependent on this Hamiltonian q of p. Suppose this density distribution function is a function of this h of qp. This gives an another probability distribution function, a probability function which satisfies equation 1. So that type of the ensembles is called canonical ensemble, in which you will just see that density distribution function is proportional to exponential of this minus of HQP upon KT. Suppose this is, what is here? K, this is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, absolute temperature, you can just say that. Then this density distribution function, which is H of this Hamiltonian QP, is proportional to. So in this we have discussed two type of the ensembles. First ensemble was in which this function was constant. This is rho of this PQ. This is constant, and we have seen this, say that this is microcanonical ensemble. This is the microcanonical ensemble. In other words, this is the canonical ensemble. This is the basic difference, in which this is constant. That's why microcanonical ensembles are also called the stationary ensemble. You have to just consider, because in all many of the exams, stationary example is another kind of microcanonical ensemble, you can just say that. And in which this, suppose density distribution function is depending on this Hamiltonian, and that's why we just say them. Suppose this equation is of this type, exponential to power minus h QP upon KT. This corresponds to the canonical ensemble. So on the Liouville's theorem, in this lecture we have derived, either we have shown the two types of the ensemble. One was which was constant, in this the density distribution function was constant. We have said them the microcanonical ensemble. Other one, this is the canonical ensemble. So we have two type of the ensembles. In general, there are generally three types of the ensemble, but on the Liouville's theorem we have generalized. One is the microcanonical and another one is the canonical ensemble. So in the other lecture we shall discuss in detail what is the microcanonical ensemble, and later on we shall also have the lectures about canonical ensemble and regarding their partition function. So thank you for watching. Once again, thanks to all.